Hey everyone, it's Dr. Morales. As promised, I'm going through a video talking about abdominal etching. And so the topic is going to be, who is the candidate for abdominal etching? So this is one of those procedures. It's basically liposuction at really a next level. It's definitely, you have to have a little bit of artistry to it and understanding of the abdominal physique, I would say. I've seen some really great etchings. I've seen some not so good etchings. It's technically, as a surgeon, actually very difficult to do. It's definitely harder. It's physically harder to do, and also I think there has to be some sense of an aesthetic eye to doing the procedure itself. So for me, I'm one of those surgeons. I really want to. I don't like making things look odd on patients. I take a lot of pride in patients being able to show off their body and be confident in their body, and not feel like that things just don't match your body. So, and if you're overweight and you don't exercise, at all, and you don't take care of your body, and you come to me and ask for abdominal etching, which surprisingly a lot of people do, my answer is no. I'm not doing it. I don't need the money. It just won't look right to me, in my opinion. And if you find a surgeon that's offering and they do it for you, then good. Hope you enjoy the results. I just don't think it doesn't match your physique, in my opinion. So this is a procedure I actually commonly do more men. It's men that are former athletes, very frequently history of bodybuilding and competing, male models who travel a lot and have to have a leaner body, and they can get a six-pack. They just they're out partying and drinking and they just can't maintain it. It's hard for them to maintain and enjoy their lives and work lifestyle. So I've done a lot of models too. I should do quite a bit of them. Unfortunately for men specifically, they're less likely, I would say extremely likely, to allow me to use their photos. So I have as many like on my website as I would love to have, because I've done a lot. But it is what it is. I feel like I'm good at it. I like doing it, because it's not really like a weight loss contouring surgery. It's more than that. It's to me, it's very artistic. It's hard to do, and I like doing things that are difficult. And I like doing it. It's fun. Okay. So what I'm doing more of recently, which is kind of shocking to me, is that I guess the thought of doing abdominal etching in women has become more prominent, and I've done quite a bit. Like yesterday, I did a couple. They're both candidates I consider candidates. Okay, so they can both get six packs. They're physically able to do it. They show me pictures. They take care of their bodies well. They exercise every day. They eat clean. It's just, I'm giving them an opportunity to have a six pack where it's easier for them to maintain in their lifestyle. They can have a little more freedom in their life, and what they eat, and have fun, and be able to maintain more of a lifestyle that's a little more flexible. So what I'm able to offer them is that they're able to look, maybe like 10% leaner than they normally would be, had they had to work for it. So it's kind of nice, especially for athletes who want to always look athletic, but just can't. It's just harder to do, and that's honest truth. It's really hard to kind of have a six pack year round. It's really, really hard. For women, in my hands, the hard edge where you have a six pack is it's very, very athletic. I think it's a little bit too aggressive for most women in the normal lifestyle. Women who have a six pack and want a six pack, you need to look like you have a six pack. Your arms need to be really lean. Your legs need to be lean. So again, it needs to match your body. So most women who want to have a little more of a flexible kind of physique, you're gonna have like signs of where a six pack is coming out. So for me, like the video I posted yesterday, it's a classic female for me, is the midline is, I kind of enhance the midline here, okay? And this is called the rectus muscles. The six packs live within the muscles here. And then outside of the rectus muscle is called semilunaris. I just remove all the fat out of there. So abdominal etching is liposuction at a very, very, very high level, you're taking away fat in certain areas to give an illusion of the muscles. So it's an illusion. It's really just, I'm doing fat, I'm not doing it in the muscles. So a great plus of this is that people who get abdominal etching, if you get on a health kick and you want to get really lean again, guess what? Your etching gets even harder. It gets harder and faster. As you lose body fat, those areas that took fat out are gone. They're gone forever. and it makes a big difference in the aesthetic results. So you get the six pack really fast. So anyway, that's kind of the nuts and bolts of abdominal etching. Hope you learned something. Send over your questions.